Some trending stocks. We have Netflix, Reddit, and Sharps Technology. So we'll kick off with Netflix, still down 0.91%. Yesterday, it lost 2.34%. We'll get to hear what's going on with the stock. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. Lower prices are expected to keep laying out up till the close of today's trading session, and after that is expected to bounce. Yeah, so but it was actually has been on the decline. It's been on a downtrend since Tuesday the 23rd. So in terms of projections, what do we have? 1,156. It's a downward projection, nothing to the upside at the moment. Before now, we had some to the upside. We had 1252.11, 1275.18, 1289.42. Selling pressure on this 4-hour chart is severely bearish. Yeah, all the moving averages, all the positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago. Yeah, bearish now. Yeah, up to 800 hours ago. They are all severely bearish right now as things stand. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see what's going on with Netflix.
Netflix, NFLX, is trending as heated debates swirl around both its content strategy and cultural positioning. The controversy intensified after Elon Musk publicly called on users to cancel Netflix subscriptions, criticizing what he described as the company's embrace of a quote unquote woke transgender agenda. The comments triggered a wave of online discussion that quickly spilled into investor forums, with some community members framing the issue as part of broader US culture wars. On one side, critics argue that Netflix risks alienating subscribers by leaning too heavily into political and identity based narratives, while others defend the platform's diverse programming slate and point to its continued global growth. Beyond the cultural debate, traders are also weighing the impact on churn, engagement, and brand perception, questioning whether political backlash could materially affect subscriber numbers or advertising revenue. For bulls, the controversy is dismissed as short lived noise, while bears view it as symptomatic of deeper concerns about content quality, rising competition, and long term direction. Reddit
Okay, so the next is Reddit RDDT. Yeah, it seemed to be recovering from yesterday's losses, now up 2.05%. We'll see, we'll hear more about that now. Yeah, intraday low printed yesterday 197.50 has recovered from those lows. Okay, so yeah, okay, a distributive contraction is expected to remain in place up till an accumulative contraction is expected to remain in place up till Friday's pre-market session. Then after that, might see further decline, and then there might be an attempt to bounce again, but it's not looking. The extrapolation is not optimistic, not a bullish one at all. Projections are saying nothing to the upside. More of their downward projections. We have 144.60, 159.46, 183.50. Yeah, before now we had bullish projections. We had upward projections. We had in addition to the ones I mentioned, 253.51, 266.31, 274.22. This was as of Tuesday, the 30th of September. Selling pressure is severely bearish. Everything is negative here. Okay, apart from, including its, everything is, severely bearish. Yeah, I think also including its 200 period moving average. So positions opened over the last 800 hours. Yeah, they are bearish right now. The stock has been on the decline since Tuesday, Thursday, the 18th of September. Yeah, it's just been printing lower prices since then. That's a long time. That's so many hours from now, from so many hours back. Yeah, also when I was back. How many days is that? Yeah, a lot of days. Okay, so that's let's hear what's going on with Reddit.
RDDT is rebounding after sharp declines in the previous session, sparking renewed attention from retail and institutional investors alike. Community discussions are focusing on the platform's exposure to AI related trends, particularly the potential impact of reduced ChatGPT usage and the terms of data licensing deals that underpin its monetization strategy. Some traders warn of overvaluation risks, highlighting Reddit's revenue concentration and its sensitivity to shifts in AI partnerships, while others argue that strong institutional ownership signals confidence in the platform's long term role as a key data provider for training large language models. The stock's volatility has amplified debates, with political biases and the platform's unique position at the intersection of social media and AI infrastructure fueling uncertainty. From a technical perspective, analysts note that critical support levels are being tested, with the potential rebound hinging on whether momentum can stabilize around short term floors. Sharp's
Okay, so the next is STSS. Okay, STSS up modestly 0.74%. 0.744%. Intraday low printed on Monday the 29th, $6.03. Okay, so extrapolation on its daily on its 4-hour chart is saying that yeah, we might see a bounce that may be rejected by the pre-market session of tomorrow. So this trend is say it's showing now may continue, may improve, but may be rejected by tomorrow's pre-market session. Projections are saying yeah, to the upside we have 7.59, 7.56, 8.14, 8.51. But we know that the stock has even printed highs as high as 16.83. We have here, I mean, that's a projection 16.83. Then probably its all time high of 52-week high, 16.25, printed on the 28th of August. Okay, so price pressure momentums are also everything is almost everything. Not everything is okay. Only the I think the 10-day moving average, 10 to 21 period moving average is still trending very well. However, the derivatives are negative, indicating that selling pressure, people there has been selling is going on as well in the midst of all of that, but also buying is also going on, indicating or rather validated with the by this positive first derivative on the 10 period moving average. So did I mention lower prices? Yeah, there are some lower. There are also lower prices as well. 2.59, 3.33, 4.54. Yeah. Okay. So let's listen to what's going on with the stock.
Technology, STSS, is trending after unveiling a $100 million stock repurchase program alongside a bold new digital asset treasury strategy tied to Solana, SOL. The announcement has polarized the investor community. Skeptics worry about the risks of dilution, execution challenges, and whether pivoting into crypto reflects a lack of confidence in Sharp's core medical device business. Supporters highlight the company's Solana exposure as a forward looking play on blockchain adoption, potentially unlocking new growth opportunities. The discussions are further fueled by speculation about a short squeeze, given the stock's relatively low float and high volatility. Traders note that while Sharp's move into digital assets adds speculative appeal, it also raises questions about long term stability, making the stock a battleground between bullish momentum chasers and cautious skeptics.